Fireworks! Fireworks! Come on! Fireworks! Fireworks somewhere. What's the fireworks? Guys, you not be able to see me, but if you could see there's fireworks going on, you might not be able to see it well. Sorry, but we actually came here late. Not really happy. So we'll see if we can get a good angle. You can see that. Wonderful, wonderful. I don't think you can see it, but good fireworks. See, look. See those fireworks? Sorry for a little bit late, but I try my best. See, look. Please. I like it. I think that's it. Little firework. And that did not do anything. And wait for it. Actually, about the outhouses. But this is a good view. Fireworks! And yeah, my dad is coming, but I just went ahead so you guys can see the fireworks. Look at that. Fireworks! And boom! It's getting a little too close, so I'm backing up. It's actually not that far, so you have to be careful. But I'm just looking back to my dad. I can see him. Probably wet. And boom! I think that's it. Oh no. Oh, I can just hear babies crying, and that's just sad. And Yeah, got that. Good angle. Lovely, lovely fireworks.
Imagine what the people are seeing.
Okay. Boom! Big one. No. Might be it. I think that's it.
Where did the fireworks come
No, I think they're just launching random ones. There you have the gold. Oh. That was a hard. I saw that. That's cool. That was cool. I don't... Random ones if you can see. Oh no, it's just... And there she goes.
저거 진짜 좋아. 이거 좋아하잖아.
I just realized that's sand in my hair. I think that's it. Nope, apparently not. Firework! Well done. On the final finale, I think they just go random. Did it? Yep, that's it. Nope. Every time I see that. And that was loud. Neat. Anything else? Nope. Kevin. And I stand corrected.
What's that?
Stand corrected. So, like, apparently not. If you actually can see me, probably not, but thank you guys so much for watching. That was the Canada Day fireworks, which is July 1st, and thank you guys so much for watching. Leave a like and a comment if you want, I guess, more videos. Thank you guys so much for watching. I'm Cheyenne. I'll see you guys later. Bye bye.